Say you wanted to just change one color in an image. This is very simple using the latest version of Photoshop. First, select the Quick Selection tool. Then simply select the area of the color you want to change by left-clicking and dragging the mouse. You might accidentally select an area you don't want to change. This is easily corrected by holding the Alt key and selecting the unwanted area. This removes the area from the selection. Then, simply select Create Adjustment Layer. Select Hue Saturation Adjustment and select red as the color to adjust. Then, change to the desired color. In this case, green. A simple but effective result.